But Indonesia also declares that once Israel recognizes the independence and the statehood of Palestine, Indonesia will immediately recognize the state of Israel, and we will support all guarantees for the security of Israel. The New York Declaration
di tengah sorotan dunia, pada tanggal 22 September 2025, Presiden Republik Indonesia Prabowo Subianto berdiri tegak di mimbar Perserikatan Bangsa-Bangsa New York. Dengan langkah mantap dan tatapan penuh keyakinan, beliau hadir dalam high-level UN Conference on the Two-State Solution, sebuah forum bersejarah yang akan menentukan arah perdamaian di Timur Tengah. Di hadapan para pemimpin dunia, Presiden Prabowo menyuarakan suara jutaan rakyat Indonesia dan nurani kemanusiaan universal. Dengan lantang, beliau mengutuk segala bentuk kekerasan terhadap warga sipil tak berdosa, seraya menyerukan agar dunia tidak tinggal diam menghadapi tragedi Gaza. Bukan hanya sekedar retorika, Presiden Prabowo menegaskan sikap Indonesia yang teguh, mendukung penuh solusi dua negara sebagai jalan satu-satunya menuju perdamaian abadi. Dengan wibawa seorang negarawan, ia menegaskan bahwa ketika Palestina meraih kemerdekaan yang sah, maka Indonesia siap mengakui Israel demi menjamin keamanan bersama. Inilah sikap berani, sikap visioner, menjembatani perdamaian antara dua bangsa yang terpecah oleh sejarah panjang konflik.
His Excellency President Emmanuel Macron, President of the French Republic, His Highness Prince Faisal bin Farhan Al Saud, Foreign Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, as the co-chairs of this distinguished meeting. Co-chairs, Excellencies, distinguished representatives of the United Nations, I wish to extend our deepest appreciation and highest regards to the governments of France and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for their leadership in convening this important deliberation. It is with a heavy heart that we recall the ongoing unbearable tragedy in Gaza. Thousands of innocent lives, many of them women and children, have been killed. Famine looms. Human catastrophe is unfolding with our eyes. We condemn all acts of violence against innocent civilians. Therefore, it is today with dignity that we gather to take our historical responsibility. This responsibility speaks not only to the fate of Palestine, but also to the future of Israel, and also the very credibility of the United Nations. We condemn all violence against innocent civilians. Therefore, Indonesia once again reiterates its commitment to the two-state solution in the Palestine problem. Only this two-state solution will lead to peace. We must guarantee statehood for Palestine, but Indonesia also declares that once Israel recognizes the independence and the statehood of Palestine, Indonesia will immediately recognize the state of Israel, and we will support all guarantees for the security of Israel. The New York Declaration has provided a peaceful and just pathway towards peace. Statehood must mean peace. Recognition must mean a real chance towards lasting peace. It must be a real peace for all sides, for all parties. Distinguished Excellencies, we commend the leading states of the world that have taken this principled step. France, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, Portugal, and many other leading countries of the world have taken a step on the right side of history. The recognition of the state of Palestine is the right step on the right side of history. To those who have yet to act, we say history does not stand still. We must recognize Palestine now. We must stop the humanitarian catastrophe in Gaza. Ending the war must be our utmost priority. We must overcome hatred, fear. We must overcome suspicion. We must achieve the peace that is necessary for the human family. We are ready to take our part in this journey towards peace. We are willing to provide peacekeeping forces. Thank you very much. Peace. Peace now. Peace immediately. We need peace. Thank you very much. Reiterates its commitment to the two-state solution.
Sorotan kamera menampilkan wajah-wajah para delegasi dunia yang terdiam penuh hormat. Di ruang sidang itu, Suara Indonesia bergema sebagai suara keadilan, suara yang tidak gentar melawan arus, suara yang menyalakan harapan bagi perdamaian dunia. Presiden Prabowo tidak hanya bicara tentang perdamaian, ia juga menawarkan aksi nyata. Kesiapan Indonesia mengirim pasukan penjaga perdamaian, memastikan bahwa janji perdamaian bukan sekedar kata, melainkan kenyataan di lapangan. Sejarah akan mencatat hari itu, ketika seorang pemimpin dari negeri kepulauan di Asia Tenggara dengan gagah berani menegakkan panji kemanusiaan di forum tertinggi dunia. Dari New York, suara Prabowo mengalun bak genderang keadilan, menyerukan dunia untuk memilih sisi yang benar dalam sejarah. Pengakuan terhadap Palestina, penghentian perang, dan lahirnya perdamaian yang sejati. Damai, damai sekarang, damai segera. Kita butuh perdamaian. Itulah pekikan seorang pemimpin yang kini dikenang sebagai pembawa obor harapan di panggung dunia.